In the last few days, few of you have been debating on why I choose internet money instead of classic brick and mortar shops, real estate investment, and those other traditional business models. In my opinion, the why you should be choosing digital money, internet money, and online business is pretty simple and comes down to three main points. So the first one, which is the one that you should preserve the most, is your time. Thanks to online businesses, you will be able to manage, prevent, organize your schedule as best as you think. And let me tell you, if you didn't understand this yet, time is the most valuable asset you have, and you should be choosing how to use very, very wise. Now, the second one is definitely freedom of location. COVID hit, all of those bullshit going around. If you are stuck to a location, let me tell you, you are in chain. Why? The world is changing at a very fast-paced environment, and next week you might need to be somewhere else because Italy, for example, is gonna put up a very stupid law that is gonna ban some online business transaction and this and that. Move! Next week, you're gonna be able to do that? I'm not sure. I can. Last but not least is the fact that you're not gonna be relying on a boss. That person usually is somebody that, thanks to you, is building his dreams up. Now, you simply can do that for yourself. No one is gonna put a cap on your earning. No one is gonna put a cap on the time you're gonna spend in the office. This is the best feeling ever. And yes, you might make a lot of money building a gym, classic brick and mortar, but at the same time, your customer pool, your transaction pool will always be restricted compared to an online business where your customer can be anyone in the world. This is pretty much the main three reasons, and I'll keep going deep and deep in the next few videos.